562rent.com.
Oh no!
I know!
Welcome to 700 East Ocean Boulevard, Long Beach, California, 90802. This is a listing for an ocean view, 2-bed, 2-bath with 2 parking spaces. You can take a casual walk around the building and the apartment itself, same as you would if you came by to take a look. Walking into the lobby of the building. The building has undergone some renovations. The lobby area has been remodeled. Walking into the guest area and the lobby. Building comes with a gym. And look at your machines in the gym. And the gym looks out towards the pool. And look at your pool area with seating around the pool. Unit comes with 2 parking spaces. Building now has a new rec room with a kitchen. And a bathroom as well. Walk into your unit. Your unit is on the 9th floor. Approximately 1080 square feet. Hardwood floors in the living room. Carpet in the bedrooms. A look into your kitchen. Your dishwasher. Unit comes with a washer and dryer in the unit. Looking into your living room area. Walking onto your balcony. your view from your unit, ocean views. Views of the Queen Mary, Grand Prix views as well. Looking back into your living room. A closer look into your kitchen. Double sink with garbage disposal. Full-size refrigerator. Dishwasher. Closer look at your cooker. Walk into the hallway, leading into bathroom number 1. Which has a shower instead of the tub. Closet space in that hallway. Walking into bedroom number 1. Currently being used as a home office. Walking onto your balcony, your view from your balcony. And back into bedroom 1. A look at the second closet. Walking back into your living room. Walking into your master bathroom. Which comes with a jacuzzi. Walking into your master bedroom. Your view from your master bedroom. And then look at your closet space in your master bedroom. Please note, we do not show properties without you having your paperwork with you. Go on our website, 562rent.com, see the download section, download the rental application, fill it out, bring it with your copy of ID and pay stubs to the viewing. Once again, we do not show properties without you having your paperwork with you.